Oh, I hope that repeats. Please repeat. Please repeat. Strange sounds in the morning here in South Carolina. Me and the cool dog just heard something. Something loud. Something obnoxious. And now there's a drone flying overhead. It's so weird. Strange sounds and weird stuff will pop out. And then all of a sudden, drones will show up. Here in South Carolina, it's weird. We don't have the men in black. We got the men in white. Wow. Okay. Well, it don't look like it's going to repeat, so I guess it's just a cool dog watching leaves blow in the wind and drones fly over this morning. That really is bad. Bark or something, cool dog. Bark. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and maybe I'll get lucky and actually catch that weird sound sometime in the near future. Yesterday we heard some weird